Hey guys, Chef Aaron here. Today we're gonna cook up, well, it's not Chef Aaron, you really can tell that it's Mark here, but I'm in Chef Aaron's kitchen today and I'm excited to be here. More on why I'm here, but let me invite the real chef into the frame so that we can get started.
What up guys, what up, what up, what up? Good to have you, Mark, in my kitchen. It's not your studio.
No, I would love to have one like this soon.
Yeah, cool. So anyways, Mark, you're here in our kitchen. We're going to cook out some awesome things. Like we mentioned earlier, you got us a whole package of goodies.
Yes, I did.
It's still a secret to me.
Yeah.
Hey, what's up, Mark?
Let's get this off.
Alright, so Mark and I are out here. It's a bit cloudy, like I said earlier on, but Mark and I are out here to make, guess what? A 5K meal. 5K, Ugandan, only 5K, bro, only 5K. And you're going to walk to that stall right there, buy ingredients that are secret. Alright, you're going to cover it in a regular Ugandan Kampala Kavera. I don't know what Mark is going to get, but I'm gonna wait. What do you have in mind, bro?
I'm not certain, but I love making breakfast, so I'm gonna try to get something that I can.
Alright. Please don't bring me mukene, because
I hate mukene.
After you bring it, I will go into my kitchen and we're going to cook out some awesome food. You ready for this?
I'm ready for
Alright,
that.
let's do this. I'm excited. I'm super excited.
These are the items that I bought. Remember, this was just 5,000. I had a balance of 300 shillings.
Bro, it was 2K.
It was 2K.
No, this is 200.
That's 200. Yeah, so we had
This
a
is
balance
200
of 200.
Ugandan
So I did
shillings.
well.
Let's
I did well.
Good. So we're working with almost like a dollar.
Breakfast for $1. I go to potato. I'm so used to eating Irish, so I thought we could just change it up a bit, see what we can do with potato. I don't really like sweet potato, but
cool.
maybe you can make something good there.
Alright. Okay. Touchdown. Sukuma in the building.
Sukuma in the house.
Garlic. Big
Garlic.
fan. Big fan.
My wife loves garlic, so that's for her. Then coriander.
Yeah, some freshness.
And then the egg.
Are you excited for it?
I'm really excited.
Alright, so we're going to make a sukuma shakshuka meal, but with a side of mogoyo.
Okay.
Have you had mogoyo before?
No.
Classic Ugandan.
First time I'm hearing the word, so
let me give you the recipe.
alright.
Before I get started with that, Mark, do you want to stay around as I cook?
No, not really. I'm gonna go behind the camera like everybody else and just watch you do your
Alright,
thing.
okay,
Don't
cool.
To interrupt you.
Cool, now this is my zone, people, as Mark steps out. Alright, so Mark, there you go.
So I'm not so much of a cooker, but Chef Aaron here is gonna be doing the cooking, so I think we're in safe hands. But I love making breakfast. That's why I bought those things. That's why I bought the eggs. I love making breakfast for my wife, giving her the time to sleep enough. So getting something new to add to my menu would be great. So that's why we're doing this. So you can also learn a few things. So I'm just gonna be around, taking a few shots, getting a few things. Enjoy the rest. If you really want the detail of what we're making here today, you're gonna have to check out Chef's channel. I'm sure you will find so much great content besides this. Let's get back to the cooking. Someone told me this was 5K, I would not believe it.
It's just about you being creative and being expressive and using all that you have in your household. I mean, we had leftover beans from yesterday, something that you didn't buy from the market, but we improvised, okay? We also had the eggs, just 2 eggs, putting in lots and lots, a good amount of protein in there.
I gotta tell you, I'm not so certain about the egg. Watch, maybe she will have them. Me, no. But yeah.
But it's a good experience. It's a good start.
Okay. We shall.
Alright, so let's dig in. Let's dig in. This. There we go.
I told you there's something about coriander.
Oh my god. Beautiful.
We are done here. Thank you guys for tuning in. I hope you've learned something. It's been a really great experience. The food is delicious. Hit the like button, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. See you in the next one. Happy Resurrection Sunday. Bye bye.